Hi there, this is Rob Jones from MultiTrades Training. I just want to show you how to apply for the government incentive payment for your new apprentices. So what you need to do is you need to log into the digital apprenticeship service as you did when you signed up for your new apprentice. And then what we do is you just scroll down to finances and you click on your hire a new apprentice payment. So if you click into that and apply for the hire a new apprentice payment, and that will take you through a process which will allow you to apply for your new apprentice. Okay, once you've done that, you also need to go into your organisations and agreements back on the home page. So if you click into that, and then you view all agreements, and again it takes you through a process. You go through, make sure you read all of the terms and conditions, and then you submit agree, and it signs the agreement. You need to make sure that you do your agreement. You need to make sure you sign your agreement with the ESFA, because otherwise you won't be able to get the funding. I hope this has been a help. Any problems, you know where to find me. Please feel free to call or email. Thank you.